Organizations are digitalizing and automating. They are rethinking how work gets done, how services are delivered, and how productivity can improve across the enterprise. But in Europe, transformation comes with a different expectation. It is not only about moving faster, it means operating within a framework built on digital sovereignty, on trust, on transparency. European organizations hold themselves to standards that reflect our values: freedom, rule of law, and respect for privacy. As technology becomes more intelligent, these expectations only grow stronger. And they apply to service management too. So what does this mean in practice? It means organizations are not only looking for modernization, they are looking for modernization they can trust. Organizations want to move away from fragmented tools. They are looking for the flexibility to start small and scale at their own pace, without compromising data sovereignty or compliance. They want to innovate responsibly and to create and configure AI assistants and agents around their own needs, in a way that is ethical, transparent, and governed. They want transparency and predictability, and they are looking for trusted partners who are close by, speak their language, and understand their requirements. Complete, sovereign, responsible innovation, local presence. This is service management made in Europe for the world. This is Matrix42, the European choice in service management software.